everybody, it's Amanda from The Hides Do Disney. Today I have another box to open, but this isn't just a normal unboxing. Oh no, this is a pumpkin spice box swap. Now if you can say that 5 times fast, I will give you everything in this box because there's no way you can actually do it. So I'm super excited for this box swap because it is a fall themed box. And so this was put together by Savage Disney Pins. Definitely go and check them out. Sarah and Rocky are awesome. They do pin mail. Obviously their name says pins, so they're centered around pins, but they are wonderful people. I've gotten to know them over the past, I don't know, while. And they're just great people. And all the people that participated in this swap will be down below. And you can go and check them out because they're all awesome YouTube creators. And you can see who I sent my box to. So let's get into this because this has been a while in the making and I'm excited to open this. So I'm pumped. Open you. Up, 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 up. Ooh, there's fun stuff on the top. Hold on, I still have one more side. There's so much fun stuff in the top of this. Look at this. Look at all this fun confetti on the top. I need to figure out where people buy this because I did not have this stuff when I wrapped mine up. So I'm not gonna lie, I went a little overboard for my person and this is only supposed to have 4 things in it and I definitely put more into my person's box, sorry. But the swap should have at least these 4 items. Should have a pin, a small shop item, a treat, like some sort of like food treat of some sort, and a trick. So kind of like a miscellaneous item. So I'm really excited to get into this and also figure out who gave it. Oh, hold on, there's the card. I was like, I don't know who gave this to me. Oh, okay. Why didn't I know about this set of cards? Look at that. That's gorgeous. It's from the Villains collection. Okay. So the card says, hello friends, happy Halloween. We are so excited to have you as our secret pumpkin spice box because you love everything that we love. So we had fun getting all these goodies. Enjoy the box, keep posting awesome videos, stay safe, and have an awesome Halloween. And this is from the Park palette. And so I'm wicked excited. It also says, P.S. you might have to do some digging, but watch out for some creepy crawlers. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. And I see what she means by creepy crawlers because there's little spider rings. And I'm gonna put one on right now because why not? Josiah's gonna love these. Oh my gosh, there's like a bunch of these creepy crawlers in here. I feel like I need to like take them all out and give them to JP right now. Ooh, first of all, we've got this super cute, I love this little pumpkin. He's adorable. And there's, I think these are the pins inside and I kind of want to save the pins for last. No, I'm gonna open the pins now. Who are we kidding? I can't see pins and not open it. This is so adorable. Ooh, bubble wrap, I love it. Ooh. Okay, well, first of all, I have never seen this pin before. I haven't even like gotten it out of the package yet. And I'm already excited because of the backer on the card. Oh my goodness. So here's the pin and you open it. And it's the Gravedigger from Haunted Mansion behind the gate. Oh my goodness. All right, that's the end of the video. I don't need to open up anything else. This is literally the most perfect thing ever and I love it. And I have no words. This is amazing. I love Haunted Mansion. You guys know that. And this pumpkin is like, I need to go and get a tea light and put it in here. That's so cute. Or make it a candy dish or I don't know, but I love it and I love this pin and there's still more in here. Okay, wow, there's a lot of, no way. Okay, well I found the treat. So I've never had this before and I'm assuming it's what it is and Mike's gonna be excited about this. I'm not a Disneyland person, so you guys have to tell me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that this is churro toffee. It looks like all the pictures I've seen of the churro toffee. If it is, I'm gonna be super excited because I've never had it before. and I hear only amazing things about it. The only issue is that after I eat this and it's amazing, I'm gonna wanna go to California and go and eat some. Okay, let's see, what else? I don't wanna like, oh, okay, there's layers. Guys, there's literally layers of packing stuff. So there's like this stuff and some things, and then like a layer of spooky cobwebs that I'm gonna hang up around my house because why not? Okay, so I guess we will open up this next, and it says the Haunted Mansion on it, so it doesn't matter what's inside of this bag. I'm going to love it. This ghoulish towel from Purple Prickle 13. So, oh my gosh. Holy crud. Okay, so it's a tea towel with Haunted Mansion on it. Hopefully that's in frame because I can't see. Yep. So it's a tea towel with Haunted Mansion on it. This is 100% embroidered. Like, this is embroidered. Are you kidding me? They obviously watch our cooking videos and know that our kitchen is blue. I have no words, guys. This is literal perfection. I love this. Like I almost have a tear in my eye. I love this so much. Because I'm always like, Mike, I want to get Haunted Mansion stuff for the kitchen and the bathroom and all this stuff. And he's like, no, we don't need it. But now I have it. That's gorgeous. And I'm going to definitely have to go and check out this shop. That's the name of the shop, by the way. Because this is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It says, beware. Okay, I'm nervous. I'm being aware. This is going up, by the way, in my house. This packaging is literal perfection. I'm sorry, what? Oh my god. Okay, this is an Oogie Boogie Spirit jersey? Are you kidding me? I'm shocked. And I'm putting it on right now. Like, I'm literally shocked that somebody loves me enough that I've never met to buy me an Oogie Boogie Spirit jersey. So when I first kind of like dug into the box, I saw something green with this and I just figured it was like a t-shirt. I'm still just kind of in shock. I don't know what to say besides thank you. Make sure that you go and check out the Parks palette because they're amazing human beings and their videos are great, and if you want Disneyland content, that's where you're gonna find it once the parks finally open. And they have videos that are from like Disneyland and Knott's Berry Farm, and yeah, I'm just gonna cozy up in this for the rest of my life now. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new because you found our channel through one of the other channels in this swap, welcome. We are so excited to have you as part of our Hides to Do Disney family. Make sure that you are subscribing, liking this video, you know, ringing the bell, commenting down below, you know, what Spirit jersey you would want to get in a box swap or why this is literally the perfect Spirit jersey ever. So with that, I guess we will see you Monday for Disney videos, Thursday for cooking videos, random days, other boxes, swaps, other stuff, and me just not knowing what to say because I'm in awe of this. Bye!